jellyfish in the water.
I was so excited, I told Tim. He says, "Oh, you chicken!" I go, "Come on!" Oh my God, that is gorgeous. If you can get the wingtip.
Now I'm gonna do that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a perfect picture.
This is a video actually. I'm taking a video now. Yeah.
Okay, that's wonderful. Man, you're gonna love it. The first set were awesome.